Hello friends, welcome to SportTube. Friends, today in this video we are talking about how to disable and enable a Facebook sending request using your messenger, using your Facebook account. And in this have two things. The first one is using your email and the second one is using your mobile account, mobile number. If you have your account on using your mobile number, then in this situation have a different setting to disable that and enable for the friend request. And if you are using our email, and in this situation have a different. Before starting this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. For enable and disable, first we go to the messenger, and in the messenger we have to see on the top right corner our icon, and in this situation we have to scroll down and we have to see the third option is privacy. In the privacy there have a first option, message delivery. Click on it, and in this they have two options. The first one is people with your phone number, and the second is friend of friend on your Facebook. So first we click on the second one, and as you can see they have a chat, so it means the friend request both side is enabled. So we want to be change this chat to don't receive request, and go back and click on the second, people with your phone number. And in this situation we have to use, if you are using a mobile number in your Facebook account, so you also click on the third one option, don't receive, and enable this one. After this enable this one, go back, and as you can see the both option is enable. So now no one using your mobile number, email, Facebook or messenger to send you a friend request. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. Thanks for watching.